4 hours long, but you should listen to it. It is, you want to listen to it? Yeah, I think YouTube is still, if YouTube is still running it, I think the link to YouTube. If not,
Mountain.
I recorded it. It was a 4 1 hour video. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you only have a phone, how can you remember it? I could put it on a menu stick, but you can't. I don't know, maybe one time